What a lovely morning in the Alexandra dock at sunny Great Grimsby again. Another lovely day. Even the seagulls are enjoying their bask in the sunshine. The NLM looks really content, also basking in the sunshine. I don't know if you can see that down there, but when we're out in the boat, about maybe just over a week ago, and that looks absolutely clear. Look at the grass and the vegetation that's grown just there. Probably not as much down here because it might be more covered and sheltered from the sun. That tells me she needs another little spin out in the Humber in the North Sea. A little breeze coming from the northeast. She's looking well. Okay, this is the water inlet, which I'm gonna turn on. Right, that's on. A bit of a tip down here because I've been sorting everything out. And all the cushions are back on and everything's in place. It looks alright. So we'll turn the electric on. It's bone dry down there.
All my mates have one.
No
I
way.
want to be in the group chat, but is it true when you post something?
It's kind of hard to take.
Turn that down a minute. Take this off. Now I'll put that piece of plastic over the top because the companionway, the new washboards that I've made and put on, will just causing some water to just sort of congregate at the other side, and it was pooling and then going over the side, so I've put that little threshold on there. So this is, let's see if we can turn this around. I don't think I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to get some tissue just to check the oil. Checked it the other day and it was fine, but just double check again. Yeah, there's plenty of oil in there. Have a dip. It's relatively clean because I do oil changed about 3 months ago, or maybe longer. And just check the water. Yeah. This is a bit awkward to get on it, and you've got to just locate it at an angle and then it just finds the thread. Okay, so electric on, water inlet on out down there, check the oil, that's okay, check the water in the heat exchanger, that's okay. So let's go for starting up procedure. So turn it once and then turn it again to ignite the glow plugs and get them warmed up. That's gone off, we'll just give it another second or two and then saw back. Down if we can. As expected. Some mess. Running alright. It's a solid diesel, nearly 17. Running okay. Just double checking the fuel tank today. So we're from the engine and that seems to be running okay. Fuel still looks pretty clean in there, no sign of any further problems with diesel bug or any other particles in that tank. The tank's connected to the deck by that bracket there, and there it's in situ with no leaks, which is good.